What is lead generation? We can hear it almost everywhere, but the question is still on demand. I will try to explain you as easy as possible, and you subscribe to the channel, press notification bell in order not to miss next cool video, and press the like button. Do at least one of these. I'm pretty sure you all had the situation when you are at the restaurant with your family enjoying time together, and then the phone rings.
This is Gene.
Hi, Gene. It's Steve from Synthesource Software. How are you? We're the worldwide leader.
I'm fine.
Good. Love to describe our new platform and get you onboarded. You know, it's a great opportunity.
Okay,
for you.
I got 30 seconds. Go ahead.
Okay. Well, basically, it's a drag and drop. It's a drag and drop data system. Is it okay if I go 35? No, just just play with it.
All right.
Honestly, this is so annoying and frustrating, and God, this is so disrespectful. Who are you? Why are you calling me? Where have you found my number? I'm not ready to talk about it right now. Okay, great. Cold calls are so annoying. So here lead generation comes out. What is lead generation? Lead generation is the process of generating consumer interest for a product or service with the goals of turning that interest into a sale and not to sell straight away. Lead generation is a core part of the sales funnel for many B2B companies, since their products can cost thousands of dollars, and web visitors are less likely to buy their product or service directly from the website. Collecting new leads allows the businesses to educate and nurture prospective customers through email marketing before reaching out to qualified leads directly via salespeople. Lead generation is also important for e-commerce and other businesses, as email marketing is still one of the most effective channels for marketing online. And gathering a prospective customer's contact info allows the business to market to them later, even if they do not make a purchase immediately. From all of this, we can say that marketers focus on relationship and effectiveness building. Since lead generation is one of the sales process, quantity and quality are very important. Buyers have learned to ignore messages that are not relevant or appealing to them and prefer to research on their own what they want about certain products or services. This means that digital presence of your company is very important. The solid lead generation strategy will help you to build trust and maintain the interest of potential buyer before they are ready to talk to sales. If you want to know how lead generation can work for your business, click one of the links below to find out more about AnyBiz lead generation tool, or check out social media. Links you can also find below this video to find out more about this topic, and feel free to ask. We are ready to answer all of the questions.